Hello, Ken. I hope this video will make sense, but if not, please get in touch with me. Let me begin by saying this is not your fault. It's my fault. I did not cover this with you. And it was just an oversight on my part about attendance in a hybrid class. It's a little different in a hybrid class than it is in just a fully seated class. So I am in your classroom, and I'm going to go down to the mandatory course enrollment activity. I'm going to click. Here it says attempts. I'm going to click there, and it will bring up, I'll have to move this over a little bit, but it will bring up everybody that's in your class and when they took the mandatory enrollment. What I do just to make it a little easier on me is I click last name, go down. Now everybody will be in alphabetical order. And I literally just write their name down and the date that they took it. So Blanchard, you see, took it on the 4th, Cosner on the 3rd, and I literally just write them all down so that I'm able to put the attendance in. So once you have all of that information, you're going to go into your attendance in self-serve. And I have already pulled up your attendance, and it's important for you to see that I have pulled it up for Monday, June the 3rd, first day of class. And as you will see, everybody that took the mandatory enrollment activity on February, where am I at? June the 3rd is marked present. The rest of them are marked absent, no excuse. At Mitchell, we only have 2 options. We have present and absent, no excuse. None of the other ones we have adopted to use. So those are the only 2 options you have. So for the 3rd, you will see who all took it. I've already done all of this. Then we're going to go back over, and we're going to go to Tuesday, June the 4th. And as you can see, Blanchard did it on the Tuesday, England did it on Tuesday, and the rest of them I've marked absent, no excuse. And I literally just went through for Wednesday. You didn't have anybody take it Wednesday, so everybody's absent, no excuse. And then on the 6th, you had 1 student take it, Mills. They're marked present. And then on the 7th, you actually had somebody present or take the mandatory course enrollment activity, and technically they should not be allowed in your class, but the registrar, Betsy Patterson, is overruling that and allowing them in your class. So this is the first Monday through Friday of the first week of class before you ever even had a class meeting. Now, time not specified means online. So this is going to make sense in just a minute. I'm going to go to Saturday, your first actual in-person class. And now you have 2 different ways to columns of attendance. Where it says 11 a.m., that is the actual classroom attendance. Time not specified, again, means online. For a hybrid class, you have to keep attendance as an online class and as a class that meets. So on Saturdays, you have to say who showed up. Another time during the week, you're going to have to mark attendance with online activities. Did they do them? And what I do is I just pick the day that I grade, and everybody that's done the online activity, I mark as present. So you're going to have to do 2 attendance each week. One of them is the meeting on Saturday. The other one is the online attendance. You don't have to do the online attendance every day. No, that's way too much work. Just pick a day. when it's an 8-week course, I always grade on Mondays. So I just pick Mondays. If they haven't done the assignment for that week, they're marked as absent. Even if it might be late or whatever, I just pick that date and I mark them based on whether or not they've done that assignment for that day. So I hope that makes sense. If not, please let me know. Again, not your fault, my fault. Should have gone over hybrid attendance. Now, your attendance is all fixed now for the mandatory course enrollment activity. And all you got to do going forward is take attendance once a week for online, and then your Saturday 11 o'clock. Okay, thanks for all you do. Bye.